PMLE Gaseng All India Trinamool Congress Jong Jala Megalia Hapo Jingalam Jong U Dr. Mukul Sangma Hne Janmit Kilahir Chakandaila Nagamanta Ban Pelongi Gijing Thang Bombati Kum Kadak Gijing Mau Burom Lem Yakamin Sim Brio Balului ke Blakalon Yap Hakik Tang Suloi Jong Kishipai ke India Hagajingja Hagasing Sajan Jong Tayo ke Baladep Hagasnong Tirang ke Bahab Hakamon District Jong Kanaglan Kumacumpan mau baka kenhun kisipai nak elite military commando kila siat yap hinrengut ki brio da kijing temu bagi dei ki leno penban ka khubor sintiat ba kini kisipai jong kari India kila yo lesi kala long ka babakla namar baki brio baki la siat dei penban tang kinong belati doyong Habrang kijing klumar na kaliang kinong ti doyong ru kila sedang bakin her rumah kabala nang pensubas niu susu ya kini ke kenhun cipai ban lesi kini kinong ti doyong kila bandai sisa ke kenhun ki ngatiar Hadin kini kijingja lep kelepin bitari ki paiba jong kini kesnong kibla mi chakmat ban sedang ban thambor kelai kisipai bat kumju ya ke kut jong kisipai Assam Rifles hakaba kaladon kijing thang ki kali pat persangru ban thang ya kini ke kut jong kisipai hangniru kaladon biang kijing asiat kabla simpat saprangut ki mensim beriu Haba crunch kelar pathai kubor nagaliang u Dr. Mukul Sangma open pau baka jingilum lang hakani ke jaka hene ke janmit kalong bakum ke seng ke penpau ya ke jingkersan bat kumju wan pha ya ke kubor ngolem sai ki longying jong gitu ki bladu no ya ki beet bathoin ki jongki halor kani ke jingja Susu Dr. Mukul ula banjur ya ke sarkar Nagaland bat kumju ya ke sarkar kami bakin shim Kya baka bishar hok bat ka bakhot ka basuba dei ban penyo yakini ki longyeng ki blangat hakani ka apot tang nabar nak daw jong kani ki jingja
Can we go back yes sir so that we can be in okay we are here today together all our members of the legislature party of the AITC and other colleagues from the new party here, including our well-wishers and citizens of this state. We are here to demonstrate our solidarity with the affected families, in particular the affected families who have been grieving the incidents in Mon district of Nagaland. We all are aware of the situation, the background. It will be pertinent for us to stand by the people of Mon district and particularly the affected families and urge upon all the authorities concerned, which includes the state government of Nagaland and government of India, to ensure justice. In this great nation, every individual, or in other words, every citizen of this great nation must have the sense of belongingness, and we collectively build this great nation. This is the essence of our democracy, and therefore there should not be any space or room left for any citizen of this great nation to feel that they are deprived of the necessary justice when called for. Therefore, it will be expected from the authorities concerned, under the government of India and the state government concerned, that all the measures needed to be taken to ensure justice is done in the right perspective. We convey our deepest condolences to the affected families, the grieving members of the bereaved families, and also we convey our the appeal to all the people of the state and the rest of the country to ensure that the sense of oneness, sense of togetherness prevail amongst all the citizens of this great nation. I will put it in my own way. Where do you need Armed Forces Special Power Act? If the state government is capable of dealing with the problem of militancy, insurgency and terrorism by itself, without having to take recourse to this draconian law, I don't find any reason for any state to actually have this particular law to be operational in any part of the state or any part of the country. The state of Meghalaya has demonstrated in dealing with terrorism, insurgency, in a manner that should be probably taken up for a case study by Government of India. In fact, on a number of occasions, while we had the privilege of having meeting with Government of India and other states, particularly when we have the internal security meeting convened by the Government of India, we have always problem of insurgency, dealing with terrorism and other associated collateral damage that is exerted because of this lawlessness and terrorism and insurgency. I think the people of Northeast understands how complex it is to deal with the problem of terrorism and insurgency. But Meghalaya has demonstrated its capability without having to resort to adopting this draconian law. I think this is something which must be taken cognizance of by Government of India and look at all the possibilities of dealing with insurgency and other problems related to terrorism in the right perspective without having to resort to this draconian law. Complexity of understanding the problem of insurgency and the challenges associated with dealing with insurgency and problem of terrorism must be understood. And only when they try to understand and to deal with them in a right perspective, then definitely they can have this political will, and there is no reason why there should not be a political will. I think I have conveyed precisely to look at different states. You know, different states have dealt with the problem of law and order, lawlessness, insurgency, terrorism. Okay, Meghalaya has shared its own problem, and we have effectively dealt with the problem of insurgency and problem of terrorism. It should be a case study for Government of India and for the rest of the country, and look at how this can be looked at and how they can be probably integrated in their approach. There is no single way of dealing with this kind of problem, but as I have said, it's complex. It's required to be dealt with, after having understood the whole complexity of the problem and have a multi-prong, not just one action in isolation.
Said by the leader of the parliamentary party of the AITC. We have come here today to express our solidarity with the people of Mon district of Nagaland, and especially to those families who have lost their beloved ones. It is a very sad day, and through our platform we would like to convey our deepest condolences to the families, and also pray that God gives them the strength to bear this immense loss and be with them through these troubled times. So this is why we have assembled here today, and I hope we are joined by each and every citizen of the state also to pray for them and light candles for the people. Natarai pila ya sungaw na kintin bakay ni Dr. Mukul Sangma. Badai baka apspa. Kadai ka binta jo ki sarkar ki wafer badan hat ka jilla. Bagin pait bha bagin ban fikir bha. Bayi ka ding apspa ki dan kam ne emon badan kam halak jong jilla. Namar nimla ban batai ki spang jingdon ka jinjar jong ki hangtu lani kanun ko sejiji badan. Di Dr. Sangma ila la pensai gedar nganget phi ba ya so tu bila ban translate itu kita si ban so sik pai ba.